going to show you how to combine this with this to make a spooky little yard light. So what I'm going to have to do with this particular yard light, I'm not going out and buying a new yard light just to do this project for a month and then it'll go back to being a regular old yard light. So this is square, a drill bit is round, so I'm going to have to be a little creative with drilling the hole in the bottom of this old pumpkin here, but I think we can handle it. All right, what you want to do is flip your pumpkin upside down. You're going to go to the middle. Shouldn't take too long. Look at that. Here we got a pumpkin merry-go-round. There's the little hole, right? So what I'm gonna have to do is make this fit. I think what I'll do is switch this bit, because I've got my main big hole. It's in that square. I'm gonna switch that bit with a smaller one and make 4 small holes on the outer edges, and then I'll be able to pry this down in there with a good tight fit. All right, so I got my trusty little Milwaukee drill bit set. I am not endorsed by Milwaukee. I don't get any money from Milwaukee, but Milwaukee, if you want to send me some cash, I'm all good with it. Bring it. So we get in here and we go for a smaller bit size, right? So I'm gonna put this one back because I'm one of them people that likes to put stuff back where you got it and everything's a little easier. So I'm gonna just pull. It doesn't really matter what drill bit I pick, the size wise, it's just got to be smaller to where I can put smaller holes around the edges of this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So I got holes here. What I want to do is cut these edges to where I can get this square to force down in there. I just went to a pair of these snips, stick them in here, snip about a 1/4 inch out. It depends on how big your pole is, or pipe, or holder, or whatever. You're just cutting some relief areas to where you can force this down in there. It's still going to be good and tight. See? So shove it all the way in, flip it over. Now you can remount your light and push the light down in there. And you have your very own pumpkin head. Very easy, very simple, easy peasy to do. You don't have to ruin your light. Once Halloween's over, ditch the pumpkin, you're back to your regular old garden light or sidewalk light, however you're using them. So that's it. That's pretty much it. That's simple and easy. Now I'll go stick this back on the stake that's in the ground, and we'll give you a shot of how they both look, because I got one on the other side I'm going to do next. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Come on, let's go!